Hey everyone! Today I've got something pretty surprising to share. I made over $500 trading with just the bare minimum knowledge and a super simple strategy. Now you might think you need advanced tools, hours of research, or some secret formula to be successful. But here's the truth. Keeping it simple and having the right mindset can actually bring you consistent profits. So let's jump into today's update.
Have you ever felt overwhelmed by all the trading terms, indicators, and strategies out there? Honestly, I did too. But here's a secret: most of that isn't even necessary to be profitable. You don't have to be a trading guru or spend years learning every little detail. What really matters is having a simple, disciplined strategy and sticking to it. I'm not a financial expert. I just focused on what actually helped me make money and ignored the rest. So, what's my secret strategy? It's simple. I trade mainly futures because they fit my style and risk level perfectly. I don't complicate things with dozens of indicators. I watch price action, I follow clear entry and exit rules, and I manage risk carefully. One trade might last a few minutes. Another might go for nearly an hour. I'm not aiming for home runs every time, just consistent, small to medium wins that add up. And here's the true game changer: shifting my mindset. Instead of chasing jackpot trades, I learned to appreciate consistent, smaller profits. Let me walk you through some real trades. Last night, I made $100 trading a slower moving contract, perfect for beginners. One trade lasted almost an hour. The other, I exited early because something just didn't feel right. Call it trading intuition. Altogether, that added up to $500, and the best part, it wasn't stressful. It wasn't complicated, just a clear strategy and sticking to my rules. Now, you might be wondering, how can mindset beat knowledge? It all comes down to discipline and confidence. When I switched my mindset to focus on consistent wins instead of rare jackpots, everything changed. My anxiety went down, my win rate went up. I stopped second-guessing. I stopped overcomplicating trades. Trusting my simple strategy and managing my emotions became the real key to success. So if you're just starting out or feeling overwhelmed, here's my advice. Keep it simple, find a reliable strategy, and stick to it. Trade instruments that match your comfort level. Micro contracts are great for beginners. Always manage risk. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Trust your gut. Sometimes intuition saves you from bad trades. And most importantly, focus on consistency, not big wins. So, can you really make real money trading with minimal knowledge? Absolutely, if you keep it simple and have the right mindset. If this was helpful, please drop your thoughts or questions in the comments, and subscribe for more honest trading insights. Thanks for watching, and here's to your trading success. One simple step at a time.